said everything that I have.
For other WRX owners who are learning to fix their clock, I'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soldering iron, and a trim panel removal tool. If you need this tool, check out crutchfield.com. There's the Pro Fit model, and it's $4.50 with free shipping. It'll protect the interior of your car as well as make the job much easier. So let's get started. We turn on my car, and no clock. First step is we want to unscrew the two Phillips head screws that are holding in the cup holder. Once you've unscrewed them, pull the cup holder out. To be able to get the AC vents out, I'm going to have to pop out the covering over the radio. I'm going to use the trim panel removal tool. There we go. And you can see we've got this switch for the emergency lights. You pull that out, pop out the vent. There we go. Unplug your signal. We'll take this in and see what we can work on. R510 right there. So all you have to do is solder that little piece back in, and you'll be ready to go. Let's take it outside. We've got our clock working. Test the buttons. Both are working. So we are good. Now we just gotta clip everything back into place and we are all set. Thanks for watching.